Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm cleaning the carpets on my dad's Impala here. I just finished the front driver. Actually, I finished the rear ones as well. They're sitting on the sun, drying off, because I want to put I'm going to put the Sequartz fabric 2.0. If you guys want to see the application video, I'll post a card up above. So this is going to be focusing on the carpet cleaning process here, and I'm going to be using the P&S Double Black Diamond carpet cleaning system. So this one's already clean. I saved this one because I'm going to do the last step on camera, because I'm going to show you how much work it goes into doing this if you're doing it by hand. So step one is Terminator, which is the enzyme spot and stain treatment here. So it says attack spots and stains, fresh scented enzyme cleaner, deodorizes while cleaning. And so it says right here, Terminator enzyme spot and stain combines enzyme action with a blend of cleaning ingredients to attack stains. Terminator's extreme cleaning power attacks embedded soils, grease, dirt, and protein-based stains. Terminator is part of the Double Black interior cleaning system. Terminator is primarily used as step number 1 in the system, but it may also be used independently. So the directions for this: spray on the surface, let it sit up to 3 minutes. And again, this is step 1. So that's what we're going to do, is we're going to go ahead and spray this on there. This is a wear spot in the carpet here, so I need to get my dad some new carpets here. And then this spot here is heavily soiled, so I'll throw I'll apply a little bit extra product on there. Okay, so we let it sit up to 3 minutes, and then a carpet bomber is the next step here. It says carpet and upholstery cleaner, lifts and dissolves dirt, ready to use version, deodorizes while cleaning, quick action. And so we look at the directions here. Citrus derivatives, biodegradable cleaners, and water-based solvents dissolve grease and lift dirt from carpet and upholstery. Carpet bomber rinses away foreign particles and stains that most cleaners leave behind. Provides a safe, natural solution for interior cleaning. Carpet bomber is part of the Double Black interior cleaning system. Carpet bomber is used as a second step treatment, but also may be used independently. Again, this one, you're going to apply it to the carpet, let it sit for up to 3 minutes. Now, there's no directions that you put that on, go through it with and clean it, and then you put this on there, you come back and clean it. So what I've been doing is I've just been applying this over itself. So I leave Terminator on there. I'm gonna put a little extra on there, and then I will just let it sit for up to 3 minutes. So that's what I've been doing lately here. Of course, the first thing I kind of skipped over was vacuuming your carpets. So just, for the first step, take a brush, comb the carpets and the fibers, and get some of the initial dirt off of it. And then you come back with your vacuum. I have a shop vac here today, and just clean up the carpet as best you can, and then get into your treatment system. Just to kind of show you, I use this towel to manually clean that guy after that, and you can see it was pretty dirty. So I was gonna throw these towels away anyways. I just want to give you an idea of what they do. So the next step is I'm going to take a drill brush here. I bought this one on AutoGeek. It's actually designed for a polisher. I was using it for the Porter cable, and in this instance, I just put on a drill. I'm going to let the drill do the work for me, rather than doing it by hand. If you want to do it by hand, just get yourself a brush and then go to town on there. This is going to save your shoulder, your arms, and all that from doing any heavy work. So just start like so. So you can see that's pretty quick to do it. I was actually brushing over these hard plastic pieces that are part of the carpet, so I was kind of twisting the carpet around. So areas that have heavier soil, you can already see it looks cleaner. Just go over it a couple more times, kind of just agitate the product here. Again, the brush is doing the heavy work for you. This is, I forget where I bought this one, so it's not super stiff. It's kind of like a medium firmness. And so this is just enough to agitate the product and loosen up the dirt in there. So the next step is you're going to take your vacuum and you're going to kind of get as much dirt out of the carpet as possible. If you have an extractor, this is the moment you're going to want to use the extractor to suck all this stuff out, and it's going to save you some manual work, which I will show you how to do it by hand. I don't have an extractor or the Bissell piece at the moment, so I'll just take your vacuum. Okay, so then you're going to do that. And if you're going to do this the manual way, I'm going to show you what you're going to do next. Okay, the next part is you're going to want to come back and mop some of this up, because what this has already done, that product has already broken down the dirt that's soaked into the carpet, and so it's lifted it off the surface. So the next part you want to do is you want to get yourself a towel, and then just go over the surface, and you're going to go over this pretty aggressive. And what you're going to notice is your towel's going to pick up dirt on the fibers. Again, it's pulling the dirt off the surface here, and so you're manually just going to go in here until your towel is no longer picking up dirt. So if you're doing this the manual way, it's going to take a lot of work to do this. And so just keep going until you no longer see dirt being transferred from the carpet. Again, I haven't cleaned these carpets in so long, and so it's taken quite a bit of time and effort to get them as clean as possible for the last step. And so you can see I'm still picking up some dirt here. So rather than save you some time doing that, the final step that you're going to do, because I'm going to come over here to this cleaned carpet, is Finisher, which is a peroxide treatment. And this says eliminates odors, no chemical residue, oxygen safe cleaner, sterilizes surfaces, minimizes resoiling. So we take a look back here. It says Finisher peroxide treatment is step 3 in the Double Black interior cleaning system. Finisher completes the system by adding a final attack on odor-causing molecules and organic stains. Finisher breaks down odor-causing chemicals, eliminates any residual organic stains, and slightly sterilizes the surface. Finisher assists in reducing water stains, mildew, and mildew odors, as well as finalize any stain removal. Finisher breaks down into oxygen and water, leaving no chemical residue left that requires further removal. Again, this is step 3. This is going to basically prevent re-wicking. So if you were to leave these products in the carpet, maybe next time you step in a puddle and you come back into your car, it's going to reactivate the cleaner, and then the dirt from your shoes is going to transfer onto the carpet. You know, it's kind of, so they call it re-wicking, so or wicking, and so you don't want that to happen. So that's what this product's going to do, which is Finisher. And so this is pretty simple. Just mist it on the surface. You don't have to go super heavy with this, because you do want it to dry So and that's pretty much it. So you're basically done with that. Do I have any clean surfaces on this? Because I'm going to clean up this plastic bits on here. But that's essentially what the double black diamond cleaning system is. You can see that this carpet, even though I haven't fully cleaned out all the dirt in there, I mean, it looks a lot cleaner on there. And so that's really the intent of these products, is to kind of give the carpets a deep clean. I mean, this one was just as dirty as this one. This is the passenger front one, which gets used quite often, and you can see how clean these look. And so just go ahead and use all three, and then it's up to you if you want to use a fabric protectant on your carpets. Again, this is completely optional, but I'm going to test out Seacor's fabric on this car because it's daily driven, and I'm going to use it on all the carpets here. Kind of see if it keeps them from getting as dirty as they were, and making cleaning a lot easier. So again, thanks for watching. Again, that's the Terminator carpet bomber and finisher. That's the combination of the P&S Double Black Diamond carpet cleaning system. If you guys have any comments or questions, if you use this, go ahead and post down below. You'd like to hear your results. But my results with these products have been really good. For the longest time, I was using the Optimum carpet cleaner, which is also really good, and that one had a will leave a polymer behind where it would keep the carpet from getting dirtier faster, like kind of just like a synthetic polymer. It wasn't a repellent, but it just kept it from the carpet from getting dirtier and actually easier to clean, let's put it that way. So then I was low on that product. I ran out, and I was like, you know what, let me give the P&S products a try because they look pretty good. And I've been really happy with the results that they've delivered for me. So again, if you guys have any comments or questions on these three products, go ahead and post down below. If you've used them, go ahead and post down below. You don't need to necessarily use all three. You can just use carpet bomber and go to finisher. It just depends on how dirty your carpets are and how deep of a cleaning you want to give them. I wanted to give these a deep clean, so I used all three. So again, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.